Good morning. Well, today's breakfast is breakfast number 7. So I hope you enjoyed and got some ideas out this week to do with breakfast and obviously the evening meals. Obviously tonight will be the last evening meal for the moment as well. Oh, looks like I've got a halo behind my head. Sorry about that. So I have cheated a little bit today because I was at work yesterday. We had some bread left over, so I have baked it this morning because it was a part bake a loaf, and the kitchen smells lovely. We don't eat bread often, so this is actually a treat for us, and it was free, so it's a bit of a cheat, I know. I've got some, as you can see, I'm going to have a sandwich. I like butter in the scrambled egg. I know it's very unhealthy. I cooked some bacon, but I overdid it. I left it in the oven with the bread and completely forgot. So I'm just going to mix the crunchy bits into the egg. So the bread is still lovely and warm. So we're not going to eat all of it. That's for sure. So that would be nice for breakfast. And then for the eggs and bacon, the cost came in at 88 pence. That's for the both of us. So that's my cost this morning. But if I had bought the baguette, they're about 70 cents. And we do have a lovely little lady who comes round in her van and will stop outside our house and sell us bread. And her bread's 70 cents. So if I've used half of that this morning, then we're looking at 123. So I am going to do like a final recap over the week, go over the prices again and things like that. So we'll have a comparison at a later date. So now I'm just going to try and spoon in my very messy mix into my bread rolls. I did 3 eggs actually. I probably could have got away with 2. Well, it's going to be nice, but messy to eat. Okay, so I'll catch you this evening for the 7th meal. So, look forward to it. See you later.